What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome and congratulations. DomainerElite Pro, baby, you're a member. All right, so listen, let's talk numbers. What is 40 sales a day? Well, to answer this question, 40 sales a day is about 4,000 bucks a day if you're selling each domain at 100 bucks. I recommend 100 bucks. You might have some really great bangers on the marketplace. You might do one for 5,000, 10,000. You have control over how much you want to sell your domains for, and heck, you could do it for even 50,000 if you wanted to. If a domain is really good, you might want to do that. But if you want to have a steady business where you spend 40 minutes in the morning, before you have breakfast, and then you can exercise, go to the beach, whatever you want, you come home and you say, wow, I sold 10 of them. The reason you're selling and the reason that this is possible is because there's thousands of other members in the marketplace. We're seeing 50-50. We're seeing 50% buyers, 50% sellers. We're seeing sales. We're seeing action happen. So this is why it's so exciting, especially the first few months right after the launch. So I want you to be able to do 40 listings a day in the morning. Now, in the beginning, you might purchase 1 or 2 domains, spend the amount of money that you spend on McDonald's on a couple domains and you list them. You already got 3 listings. But let's talk business models here, and let's also talk opportunities. So what we're gonna do is, instead of you spending 300 bucks every time you list on a marketplace out there, I'm not gonna mention any names, but you've probably seen it. Other companies charge you this listing fee, okay, 20 bucks, and then, and if you wanna upgrade and get people to actually see your listing, 300 bucks. Each domain. It has made domaining pretty difficult in the past. In the previous years of people get into domaining, it's pretty tough. Not anymore, because you're going to be in a marketplace with buyers and sellers. It's just you and them. And your domains, buyers and sellers, things are going to happen, okay? So this is your chance to upgrade and get yourself unlimited listings. You could do 100 of them a day if you wanted to, which, as we know, that would be $10,000 a day in revenue, right? So imagine a $10,000 a day business from doing domaining, spending an hour in the morning posting your domains for auction. All of them sell that day because there's so many members in the marketplace, right? And then the next day, another hour in the morning doing the new domains that you got. It's not going to be $1,000 a month or 15,000, and you're going to be able to post your domains, and let's shoot for that 40 sale a day figure. I'm looking forward to your testimonial. I'm looking forward to getting on a phone call with you, getting this awesome interview. We can have it on video and everything. And that's something I'm going to do for everyone who upgrades to make sure you have unlimited listings. You could do 100, 200 a day if you wanted to. And then we're going to be able to get on the phone, and this is after you sell 10 domains. This is a very special thing I'm doing for you. And we're going to get on the phone together, and we're going to talk about your success, the positives, the negatives. Think about it like any other investment, guys. This will make a really easy decision for you. There is a guy who put down $15,000 on the Snapchat IPO, and he did $24 million from it. You might have heard about it on the radio. Now, this isn't going to cost you $15,000. It's not even going to cost you $1,000, although any of those numbers would be worth it, because, of course, if you were making even 10 sales a day, $1,000 a day in revenue, that would still be worth an initial $1,000 setup fee. I'm really excited to see you get success the same way that my beta testers did. But instead of just 3 listings, watching all these other members making out like bandits, when opportunity knocks, I'm just inviting you. Look, thank you very much for signing up. You're a DomainerElite Pro member. We're going to get started right now. Let's move on. And make sure to upgrade right now. No worries, no catches. It's just unlimited listings, so you can post as many domains as you want in the morning and watch them sell during the day. All right, so let's move on, and I'll see you soon.